Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve the lead code problem 988, smallest string starting from the leaf. So we are given root of a binary tree where each node has a value in the range 0 to 25 representing A to Z. So basically we are given integers from 0 to 25. 0 is representing A and 1 is representing B and so on, and 25 is the last character representing Z. So return the lexicographically smallest string that starts at a leaf of this tree and ends at the root. So basically as you can see here, for example, the string should start from the leaf of the tree and it should go to the root. So for example, in this case it's a DBA, it's the string. So we are given the binary tree from like 0 1 2 3 4 3 4. So I just do that same tree here. So it is a 0 1 2 3 4 3 4. So 0 stands for A, 1 stands for B, 2 stands for C, again 3 stands for D, 4 stands for E, D and E. So we are asked to find out the lexicographically smallest string starting from the leaf of the tree. So in this case, the lexicographically, so let's just draw this path. So if you lexicographically, this is the smallest tree in this tree, which is a DBA. So if you see, there are other strings starting from the leaf to the root, which is like EBA is another, DCA is another, ECA is another, but in all of these strings DBA is lexicographically smallest string. So to solve this problem, actually we are going to use a recursion. So we are going to traverse from root to the leaf of the tree, and while traversing we are going to capture the path in the least, like we will capture like a 0, then 1, then 3. So we will be like, I'll just show you the code quickly how I implemented it. So I just implemented a traverse function. So this is a recursive function. So it takes a root and it takes a array list of integer, and it takes a list of integers. This is just to capture the output. When we encounter any leaf, we want to capture the output list of integers. That's why, because the method is returning just void. So to capture the uh, so this is the base case. So in case of root is null, we'll just return. Otherwise we will add that root's value into the list. And if we encounter a leaf node, then we will just put the list that we have captured through our traversal here, and we'll just use a new array list and we will add that list into the output, so we can capture that output in the main method, and we will keep traversing on the left side and right side at the same time. So for example, this is one of the traversal, then this is another traversal. So similarly, there are two other traversals like this, 0 to 3D. This is another traversal, and this is last traversal. There are 4 traversals we can get in this tree. So I am going to actually call this traverse method. So this is our main method. So I'll just create a array list, and I'll create a list of integers here to capture the output, and I'll call the traverse method, and in the traverse method I'll get the output where I'll be getting the whole list of all the paths that I captured through the traversal. So for example, in this case I captured like 4 paths, right? 0 1 3, 0 1 4, then 0 to 3 and 0 to 4. So those paths we will get into the output, and I am going to actually traverse the output list, and I will be using a string builder, and I will convert that list, like the integers, into the characters, and I'll just use the string builder's reverse method to get the actual string, because we actually want to get the reverse string, right, from the leaf to the root. So for example, dba, this is what we want to get, not abd. That's why I am going to be reversing the string builder's reverse method. I will use and reverse the string, and I will always keep capturing the smallest value of the string here that I encounter during processing all the list of paths, and I'll just return the smallest value here. So that's pretty much it. So this is the tree that we were discussing. So 0 1 2 3 4 3 4. So 0 is, so this is the same tree, a b c d e a d e d e. So the lexicographically smallest is a dba here. So let us run the code. So yes, it's giving correct answer. So let's submit the code. So the code is getting accepted. So I'm in the top 44% and here top 13%. So this is how we can solve the smallest string starting from leaf. So we are kind of using recursion to capture all the paths, and then we will just use the string builder's reverse method to get the path, because we want to get the path from leaf to the root. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'll post the code on the GitHub account. I'll give you the link in the description, so check it out. Hope this is helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a like for this video. Thank you.